So the 10th question is find the sum of first 25 terms of the given AP. So AP given is 32, 38, 44, so on. So this is our AP. Okay. So we need to find sum of first 25 terms, means we need to find what? Yes, 25. Sum in the sense yes. So we have to find yes, 25. Now in the given AP, what things we need to find? We need to find the first term. The first term is A. So this is A1, A2 and A3. A1 is equal to A. So first term A will be 32. And the common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. This is the method. So A2 is what? 38 minus A1 is 32. So if you subtract, you will get 6. So common difference is 6. Now S25 we need to find, which is equals to Sn. That means the value of n will be 25. Okay. Now I need to find the sum of first 25 terms. So first I will write the Sn formula. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So Sn, what is n? N is 25. So n is 25 by 2. So 2 into a is how much? A is 32. That is the first term. Plus n is 25 minus 1. D is 6. Which is equals to 25 by 2. Now 32 into 2 is how much? 64. Plus from 25, 1 if you subtract, I am going to get it as 24 into 6. So 25 by 2, 64 plus 24 into 6 is how much? 144. 25 by 2, 64 plus 144 is how much? 208. So yes, 25. 25 divided by 2 into 208 is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 0 remains, 2 fours are 8. So 25 you multiply by 104. So what will be the value of S25? If you multiply these both, you will get 2600. So this is the sum of first 25 terms of the given AP, that is 2600. We need to draw a line segment of length 7 cm using compass and ruler. Find a point M on it which divides it in the ratio 3:7. So how to do the construction of this is, so here I am going to draw the line of 7 cm. So from here I will draw 7 cm exactly. Okay. Now I have to see, the next part is we have to add these two ratios, that is 7 plus 3, which is equals to 10. So I have to mark the 10 arcs over here. So I'm going to take 10 points. But before that, I'm going to take one line exactly showing the angle 45 degrees. Okay. Showing the angle 45 degrees. So 3 plus 7 is 10 now. So I'm going to mark. So this I'll take it as A. Using compass, you can take as much you want. Okay, the gap. And you mark the 10 points over here. 10 arcs you can tell. So here I'll keep. So I'll keep here. Sorry. So it is first, second, 9, then 10. Okay. See, I'm taking 10 points here. So next step is from A10. See, I'm going to mark this first as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, 10. Okay, so from A10, I'm going to join like this. Okay, so I'm going to join this. So I can consider this point as X now. Okay, now next thing what we have to do is using compass, and more than half we need to take like this. As much you want you can take, there is no restriction. Okay, so this much I am taking. So you keep here, mark the angle. Okay, the next, without any movement of this, keep on A3 and mark a arc. Point over here, whichever arc you have taken now, keep the point over here and cut an arc. Then you can see the two arcs meeting here. So from A3 you join this. Okay, from A3 you join this like this, and this you take it as point M, and this is point B. Okay, this is our construction. So what we have to do, we have to take 7 centimeter line and take nearly to 45 degrees. Then we have to mark 10 arcs, because whatever ratio is given 3:7, we have to add that and you'll get A10. Okay, 10 arcs you have to mark, then join from A10. Okay, whatever total we have got, so there we have to join, and keep the compass on this, mark an arc, then without changing the measurement, keep on A3 per arc. Okay, so these two arcs are meeting over here, then join from A3. Okay, this completes this question. So the next question is, solve the following problems. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Explain this part. I'm going to draw a figure. So this is the center point. This is the radius of the circle. So it comes like this. Okay. So this I am going to denote it as P. And these two tangents are equal. This angle is angle A and this is B. This is the origin. Okay. This is the center of the circle. Now, what the question says, prove that the length of the tangent strand drawn from an external point. So length of tangents means this tangent and this tangent. The length of these both tangents is equal from an external point. Okay, we need to prove that. We have to prove PA equal to PB. And this is the origin and this is the radius. Okay, OA and OB is the radius. So what are the given things that we will write first? So given is a circle with center O and radius R is drawn from an external point P. Tangents are drawn at A and B. Okay, so these are the two tangents drawn at A and B. So according to the question, what we have to prove? These two tangents are equal. We have to prove. Means to prove what? To prove. So we have to prove PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Now proof I'm going to write. So in triangle PAO and triangle PBO. So which are the triangles now? PAO, PBO. So what are the common things in these two triangles we have to write? First common thing is this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 90 degrees. That is angle PAO is equals to angle PBO. It is 90 degrees. Next is OA equal to OB. Its radius. So OA equal to OB is the radius. Next OP equal to OP. That is the common side. So if you observe from both the tangents, OP is the both the triangles. OP is the common side for this triangle and this triangle. Okay, triangle POA and PBO. OP is the common side. Okay. Now we have got angle as 90 degrees and the radius and the common side. By this we can say that triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. Okay, if both the triangles are equal, then we say that PA equal to PB. This implies what? PA equal to PB by CP CT. Okay, hence proved. So to prove this theorem, what we have to do? We have to take the angles which are common side. We have to take the radius. Then you have to prove that both the triangles are equal. If both the triangles are equal, then the tangents PA is equals to PB. So this is the proof of the. Now the next question is question number 13. Draw more than type of ogive for the given data. So class interval is given, frequency is given. 2 to 7, 7 to 12, 12 to 17, 17 to 22, so on is the class interval given and frequency. So more than type, how we need to find? So we have to write more than now. Okay, and we should find the cumulative frequency for this. Now more than in the sense we have to take the lower limit values. This is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. So lower limit values are what? 2, 7, 12, 17, 22 and 27. So more than in the sense it starts from here and ends still here. Okay, so I'll take more than 2. Okay, then more than 7. I told you that we are going to take all lower limit values. More than 7, then more than 12, more than 17, more than 22, more than 27. find what? Cumulative frequency for this. So I'm going to find cumulative frequency. Okay. So how to find the cumulative frequency? More than 2 in the sense it starts from here until here. So all the numbers we have to add now from 65 to 14. So if you add all, I'll get 213. For more than 7, you have to start from here. That means 65 you should leave, add remaining one. So leaving 65, if you add remaining, so you'll get 148. For more than 12, take the numbers from here. Okay. Leave these 2, add these 4. So 35, 29, 22, 14. If you add, how much you'll get? 100. Okay. For more than 17, you should add the values from here. That is 29, 22, 14. If you add, you'll get 65. For more than 22, you should add these two. 22 plus 14 is 36. And the more than 27, what will get? 14. So these are the values for cumulative frequency. So what we have to do now? We have to plot the graph of more than against cumulative frequency. Draw the graph for more than type. Okay. So I have taken along x-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, so on. And along y-axis I have taken 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So if you want to see more than type of graph, it is already given in the other videos. You can watch it. Okay. Now this is the kink over here. Okay, I have drawn a kink. So what it means that before 5 there are some numbers which are included. So it is the continuation of the numbers. So I have written kink. Okay. So I have taken the x-axis and y-axis in this manner. Okay. See, why I have taken y-axis till 200, 220 and all, because in cumulative frequency we have the highest number till 213. Okay, so I need to plot that. So the graph was against what? More than type, the graph was against the class interval. The class interval cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay, now let's plot the points. So you can just look back to the values, that more than 2. For more than 2 means for 2, it is how much? 213. So we have taken 20 divisions here. Okay, from here till here. So in this we have to take 0.2. So 20 you divide by number is what? 5 here. So 20 you divide by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4 lines you can consider as, from here I will count 6 first. This is 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines will become 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 4 lines, 6 means this is the line, no? So before this you have to take 8th line here. Okay, that is 6th. So understanding the part. And for this, what is the marking? It is 148. So this is 148 now. So this will become 150. So 148 in the sense how we are going to take. So 150 now. So before 150, take 1 point. Okay. So for here, take here. This becomes 150 and this is 148. Okay, so this way we have to draw. Next point is for 12 it is 100. So this is 10. Again the same, so 100 is here. See, this is 100. Okay. Next is 1765. So 17. 15, no? 17 will come somewhere here. Again you count 4 lines for 16, another 4 lines for 17. So 17 will come here. For 17, what is the value? 65. This 60, this is 70. 65 in the sense I will do. See, each line is 0.2. Okay. So 62, 64. So you take 2 is the 17 and this is the 65. So from 60, no, take 2 lines. Okay, that is also correct. So 60 here it is there and 2 lines you take. Mark like this. So for 22 again the same thing. So 22 will come here. Okay, this is 22. For 22, 36 I need to mark this. So this is 40. 40 means with the next line will become 38. Next line 36. So before 40, second line you take. So here this is the 40. Before 40, second line. Okay. Next for 27, it is 14. So 27 again here it comes, because count 4 lines it will become 26, another 4 lines 27. So here it will be 27. 27 you have to mark 14. It is 20 here. So this will become 15. Okay, so this will become 10 now. This is 10. This is 20. So 10, 15 in the sense after 10 take 2 lines. So this is middle 10th line. So take second line over here. Okay. Okay. This we have plotted the points. Now join the points. Join the points carefully. So whatever points I had taken, I am going to write it here. X-axis is 2, y-axis is 213. So points you mark like this. Whichever points of x-axis and y-axis you have plotted now, that you write over here. (27) and 14. Okay. This is our more than type graph. Now next part is what? Last part in this. That is the scale. Scale for x-axis and for y-axis. X-axis, how many blocks are left? 2, no? So it is 2 centimeter. Now, what is the difference between the numbers is 5, 5, 10, 15. So it is 5 unit. Okay. Next is y-axis. So how many blocks we have left? 1 block. So it is 1 centimeter. What is the difference between the numbers? 20, 40, 60. So every time the difference is 20. So here it is 20 unit. Okay. This is the more than type graph.